Hey guys,
Welcome back to our channel.
yeah, so today we will be doing a very interesting video for you guys. We're feeling a little homesick. Yeah, feeling a little homesick, so we decided to do a video, things that we miss about Jamaica, because Jamaica is our home. Even though we've been living in Canada for the past, say, a year, we've been trying to adjust, but of course it doesn't matter. Like, home is always home. So stay tuned. This video will be going through just some of the stuff that we think that not just us, but I think that most persons miss about Jamaica. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So let's get straight into it. So
first thing on our list is definitely going to be the food.
Oh my god, Jamaica has the best food on, no, not on earth, in the universe that we do. Oh my god, I don't even eat ackee and I miss ackee so much, like roast breadfruits,
ackee, saltfish, callaloo. Yeah,
somebody can pack one bar and come.
Spice bun.
Yeah,
please, if anybody can send some spice bun, I really appreciate it.
Poor and needy over here. We are badly in need of some Jamaican food. So yeah, we'll take anything from sweet potato to pear to anything. Yeah, we miss the food. Like, the food is like by far the biggest miss. But following very close to food is definitely friends and family. We definitely miss our friends and family because, you know, we're in a new country. We don't know anyone when it just came. Although we're getting to meet new people and we're making new friends.
It's not the same.
It's definitely not the same because friends in Jamaica is not the same as friends here. Like in Jamaica, your friend will come to your house at any time and be like, "Hey, what's up?" Here, your friend might pass you on the road and be like, "Oh, hi," and that's it, and then they're gone. But like, we miss our friends and our family because friends and family is actually a big part of who you are as a person. They help you to, you know, relax, and they help you to just feel more at home. So yeah, not having friends and family around us is like definitely causing us to be homesick. Yeah, would you say so?
Yeah, I would. Next is the lifestyle. We're in a very unfriendly.
I wouldn't say unfriendly.
They're not friendly. They're not nice.
I wouldn't say unfriendly. Unfriendly is not the right word, bitch. So friendly in a different way. That's how I would put it. Because it's really just a culture thing, right? In Jamaica, the lifestyle is totally different. You don't need to know someone to have like a conversation. As long as you can find a common ground, like if you guys support the same club team, football, or if you guys went to the same high school, or if you guys, whatever common ground, that's it. We're instantly talking. But here, you're in class with people, and then our class is finished, and they'll be like, "That's it. I don't know you. Bye." So, then the lifestyle, like for example, as well, like in societies like these, like in I'd say the West, like in Canada, US, UK, like the big countries. You don't know when it's a weekend. Yeah. You can't tell the difference between a Sunday and a Friday, or a Saturday and a Tuesday, simply because you work every day. You work every day. So like in Jamaica, you work from Monday to Friday on average, because we know that some persons work on weekends just the same. But on average, you work from Mondays to Fridays, and then, you know, you get your Friday night, and Friday night is usually like a road night, a party night. You go out and you have some fun, and, you know, and then you just kind of like unwind until Monday morning, the dreaded Monday morning. Here, the dreaded Monday morning really doesn't exist because there's no weekend. Which brings us to our fourth thing that we miss about Jamaica, which is the parties.
Friday night, Saturday night. Oh my god.
We miss the parties so much. Like Jamaica, just like the food that we know, has some of the best parties. Well, even though coronavirus caused like a lockdown and everything, but Jamaica has the best parties. Like, we miss Jamaican parties.
Miss getting up, dressing up
at 12 o'clock in the night, spraying on their nice cologne and
just stepping out,
driving out, and just that nightlife, just the nightlife that Jamaica has, we miss it.
Here it's different. Nightlife
is totally different. Like, it's the closest you can come to like a party here.
It's a house party.
Is just a gathering of people in a house, or someone is having a barbecue, or someone is having some drinks and they're inviting over some people to their house. Someone is having a housewarming. That's it really. They play a little music and stuff, but you don't have the selector be like, yo, where the girl there, where don't say yo.
Oh god, I'm so. Next is
okay, so we said parties, the food, the lifestyle, and what else?
The freedom.
Oh, friends and family.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Friends and family. Okay, so I think next on our list is definitely the neighborliness of Jamaicans. Like, you and your neighbor might not be close, you and your neighbor might not like have a conversation like generally, but if it is that you're in need of something, you can always go to your neighbor and be like,
want to go sad.
Maybe a little sugar.
Some.
And even though they might say, oh, always a big sugar, you know, I can guarantee that if they have it, you're gonna get it. And also, if it is a case where like there's an hurricane or something, you can almost guarantee that your neighbor is gonna come and, alright over there, so, want me help over there, so. Almost every single case right here, you do not
even know your neighbors.
You don't even know your neighbors. And I'm not even talking about seeing your neighbors and stuff, because you might see your neighbors, but like if you see someone and you'll be like, hey, good morning, it's strange to them because that's not the kind of society that they are. They don't really greet each other like, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good night, how are you? That doesn't exist. It's just you do your thing and I do my thing. That's it. We live in the same apartment, or we might live on the same block, whatever. You do your thing, and I'll do my thing. That's it. So the neighborliness. Okay, so what's next? Oh, yeah, I know what's next. The Auslan mentality of Jamaica.
It's good and bad. It is good and it is bad. But...
well, I can't look loud, I don't come in a short if them are here. Honestly,
when I hear
the comment if she needs to talk up.
Loud.
Because it sounds as if she whisper to me.
I'm not whispering. I'm not talking. Yeah, I'm talking loud. As I was saying, it's Auslan mentality, as you said before, and it's good and it's bad. It's good in terms of, okay, someone is always going out there to get something for their family, or what we discussed. Yeah.
So it's really a case where, like, for example, if it is that you have $1,000 in your pocket right now in Jamaica, you can take that $1,000, you can go buy some sweeter, you can go buy some bag juice, and you can spin it. And you can turn a $1,000 there and a $3,000 very easy. The Auslan mentality, there's a lot of persons in Jamaica who from them born and hustle. They never do a 9-to-5 or a formal business. So this society, even though as we said, it's good and it's bad, because it actually limits the country's growth, but it actually enables people to get income, right? So the Auslan mentality of the country is like something that we definitely miss as an hustler myself. The thing is, in societies like these, you can't hustle. It is almost impossible for you to hustle. It's either you're going to get a 9-to-5 or you're going to start a business. And starting a business is very difficult here, and it has to be by the books. If it is that in Jamaica, you sell 10 shirts and you get 10 grand, that's your 10 grand. Here, if you sell 10 shirts and you get 10 grand, you have to report it to the government that you sold 10 shirts and you got 10 grand, and you better pay your taxes. Yeah, so that's why it's good and it's bad. And it's bad because it kind of limits the country's growth in terms of the country doesn't get as much income from taxes as it should, because like majority of Jamaicans operate under the ceiling, under the tax ceiling. So enough money doesn't come in for the country to really invest in like proper infrastructure, proper educational growth and stuff, proper roads, proper everything. because taxes do all of that. So is there actually a balance between putting money in the people's pocket or in the country's pocket? That makes sense?
Yeah. To me. I know.
Yeah, but kind of hope that makes sense. Yeah, but yeah. So we kind of actually missed that as well. So then, there was something else that we said we missed that. Oh yeah, I remember. I'm not sure what we called it, but what we missed is access to everything, to someone who can do everything. Is what I mean. Like if you have a leak, you can. Oh, call John. John will come sort out the leak. If your car wants service,
mechanic down the road.
Let's go link shop man down the road. if your kitchen sink need to be replaced, you don't have to go through a formal business to do it. There's always a community person who can always have that done. Here you don't have that. Everything has to go through a business. It has to be registered, it has to be legitimately and you know that is like super expensive. So when you can get a little deal because you know someone who does the thing, you can't do that here. Okay, and I think the last thing that I personally miss about Jamaica is thieving light. I joke, my baby. I joke, my baby. Let me just say that. I'm joking. But the last thing that I think I miss about Jamaica is the beautiful woman. Yes. I miss seeing the beautiful woman every day. Don't eat me now?
I won't.
Okay, thank you.
You can speak your mind.
Jamaica has some of the most beautiful women that I have ever seen. And I'm not just saying that because I'm Jamaican. I'm saying that because I'm a Jamaican who is now living overseas and seeing women from different nationalities. And I'm saying that Jamaica has some of the most beautiful women. Okay, what about you? What do you miss? Like, what would you say you miss most?
Spice bun. Honestly, I miss spice bun. I just miss it. I'm addicted to it, so I really miss it. Really miss it.
Well, on that note, if you guys are tuning in, let's do that again. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, please hit that subscription button. Please share,
like,
and
comment.
definitely leave a comment. We are definitely trying to improve ourselves in terms of we're new to this old vlogging thing. We're just trying to get accustomed. I mean, we just got some equipment the other day and we don't even know how to set it up, but we're learning. If you guys have any advice, anything that you'd want us to see to improve and stuff, please leave it in the comment. Also, we're living in Canada right now. If there's anything that you'd like to see about the Canadian society, please leave a comment and we'll definitely try to do a video that we can show you guys exactly what it is like. So please just interact with us, let us know what you want to see, let us know what you want us to do, and we will definitely do it. Peace out. Big up on yourself, and please, if you can send a little barrel with a little food,
spice bun,
we'll take it. Good night. Peace out.